Okay, here we are in Eureka. It's about the 18th day of March 2013, and we're supposed to have some rain. I just thought that was kind of a weird looking cloud right there. And then you can see sort of off in the distance, you kind of have the ripples in the clouds, and then there's a clear spot there. And these clouds, it's supposed to rain. These clouds, they just don't have any moisture in them. But anyway, you look over here, this is where the coast, this is along the coast with the ripples coming across. And there's kind of a weird pattern right there and here. But anyway, if you see ripples along the coast like this with a orange and blue color, kind of a red, orangish blue color, there could possibly be an earthquake, because I saw this similar pattern with these waves like this with the color. It's kind of a orange, yellow, reddish color. And so anyway, this one over here is really forming into something weird, you know. So this excess cloud, these excess clouds that the increased jet traffic is causing, is having an impact, an economic impact on the agriculture, and as well as the health of the local people here. And so these are something that we should seriously consider, and possibly, you know, restricting air traffic so that the artificial weather caused from the contrails, the excess water vapor that is exhausted from these contrails does not form these artificial clouds and impact the agriculture and the health and well-being of our area and your area as well. So contact your local representatives and ask them to restrict the air traffic in your area so that your health and agriculture does not have an impact.